Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove PDF XChange Editor stamp. If you have a stamp on your PDF that you no longer need, the good news is that removing it in PDF XChange Editor is usually very simple. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the quick process of selecting the stamp and deleting it so your document looks clean and updated. To begin, open PDF XChange Editor. Once the program is launched, open the PDF file that contains the stamp you want to remove. Make sure the document is fully visible on your screen so you can easily locate the stamped area. If needed, you can adjust your zoom level to get a clearer view. This can help if the stamp is small or placed in a crowded part of the page. Next, click on the sample stamp in the document. When you select it correctly, you should see that the stamp becomes active, which usually means it is highlighted or surrounded by selection handles. This is an important part of the process because the delete command will only work if the stamp itself is selected. If you click and nothing seems to happen, try clicking directly on the center of the stamp again. In some cases, you may need to be a little precise, especially if there are other objects or annotations nearby. Once the stamp is selected, press the delete key on your keyboard. This should remove the stamp from the PDF right away. If the stamp disappears, that means the action was successful. At that point, take a moment to confirm that only the stamp was removed and that the rest of your document still looks correct. If the stamp does not delete, double check that it was actually selected before pressing delete. Sometimes users accidentally select the page or another annotation instead of the stamp itself. Clicking the stamp again and then pressing delete usually resolves that. After removing the stamp, remember to save your PDF so the change is kept. This is especially important if you plan to share the file or continue editing it later. Saving right away helps prevent losing your progress, and that's all there is to it. Removing a stamp in PDF XChange Editor is a quick task once you know where to click and what to look for. With the stamp selected and the delete key pressed, you can clean up your PDF in just a few seconds.